Hello everybody, welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. For today's video, I'm going to teach you all how to make French toast. What you see here are the ingredients we're going to use to make. First, obviously, 3 slices of brioche bread, milk, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, cinnamon, sugar, and butter for spraying. Alright everybody, before we begin, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel videos with others to keep the channel growing. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. With that said, let's get started. First we grab a medium-sized mixing bowl and place in the following ingredients: 2 large eggs, 3/4 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then we grab our whisk and mix it all in like so. Mix it all in like so. Alright, now it's time we cook our French toast. First, we grab a large pan. And spray on some butter. Spray on some butter. Then we turn on our stovetop. Don't forget to turn the ceiling. Don't forget to turn the stove fan on. Now, we take our brioche bread and dip it in the mixture from both sides, like so. Careful, it's slippery. Then we lay it on the pan, like so. Now, when one side of our French toast is, well, toast-like, we grab our tongs, hold the pan, grab, and flip like so. Be sure not to squeeze too hard. Or better yet, use a spatula. And flip, like so. Now, when our French toast is done cooking, we turn off our stovetop, grab a plate, and bring our French toast in. Toast on, like so. And that, everyone, is how you make delicious cinnamon French toast. Yes. You know, but there is not. But French toast doesn't always have to be cinnamon. Cinnamon, it can be plain with the chocolate drizzle. Cinnamon and raisin, or whatever you prefer. Matcha even. If you want an easy to make breakfast, then this toast is your choice. Well, everybody, that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. If you want to stay tuned with more cooking videos in my cooking classes I do at Consult Care Solutions, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to join my cooking classes IRL, be sure to sign up for Consult Care Solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bon appetit!